This has to be one of my favorite optical illusions. It really looks like this rubber band is looped onto the top part of this coffee cup handle, then goes around the cup, and then hooks onto the bottom part of the handle. And that's because, in a way, it does. But the strange thing is, neither of these two items has been damaged to get them into this state. The band hasn't been cut and then put back together. The handle hasn't been taken off, the band put in place, and then the handle reattached. It's a really clever way to create this impossible object. It's a topological marvel. Let me show you how it's done. Grab a cup with a handle and a rubber band. Put the rubber band around the rim of the cup, making sure it's above the top part of the handle. Then, what you're going to do is stretch it out, and with your index finger, push that slack through the handle of the coffee cup, just like this. Grab the slack, and then wrap the band around the bottom of the coffee cup. Now, it's not quite right yet. As you can see, it's not running evenly around the cup. So, just adjust it so it looks right, and you end up with this absolutely impossible looking object. It's a great little optical illusion.